probably been seeing these AI skeleton videos blowing up all over your feed lately. And it's not just one or two channels. There are creators absolutely crushing it with this type of content right now. Take a look at this channel. And then there's this one. And check this one out. The numbers speak for themselves. This format is working, and it's working big. Now the good news is, you can create this exact type of content using AI, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. But first, let me show you what I was able to create.
What happens when you hold your breath for 10 minutes straight? Minute 1, your lungs scream, CO2 builds, panic rises. Minute 3, brain cells starve for oxygen, vision blurs. Minute 5, your body convulses involuntarily, diaphragm fights back violently. Minute 7, consciousness fragments, gray spots explode across your vision. Minute 9, organs demand oxygen desperately, heart rate spikes dangerously. Minute 10, brain death begins, neurons shut down, you lose control. Most people black out around 4 minutes. Push past that, and you're gambling with permanent damage. Your brain needs oxygen more than your pride needs the win.
That's what we're building today. You're going to learn how to create AI skeleton videos in AI Cut by first building a reusable skeleton character and then turning that character into a polished AI image story video. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. First, head over to aicut.pro and sign up for an account. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can get started right away. Now, AI Cut Pro is a powerful tool that lets you create viral AI story videos from scratch. Whether you're looking to create scroll-stopping AI videos that grab attention on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, this tool has you covered. It allows you to automate your entire content creation process without needing any prior experience in video editing or design. And what makes it even more exciting is that the viral video formats that are absolutely blowing up right now across social media can be generated in as little as 60 seconds. You don't need any editing skills, you don't need any fancy software, and you don't need to spend hours putting things together. AI Cut Pro handles the heavy lifting for you. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be able to locate the AI skeleton template right away. Click on it. Now let me take you through the entire process visually so you can follow along step by step. The first thing you need to do is create an AI image of the skeleton character that you'll be using throughout your entire video. To do this, go ahead and click on the AI Image Generator button. Once you click on that, it will open up the image creation page where you can set everything up. What you need to do here is simply describe the AI skeleton character you want to create. After writing your description in the prompt field, you then select the image generation model you want to use and then hit Generate. But here's something that makes this even easier. As you can see right here on the screen, there's an option to recreate this AI skeleton. So instead of writing a prompt from scratch, I'm just going to click on Recreate, and what it does is it automatically pastes a pre-written prompt into the prompt field for you. So let's go ahead and use this one. I'll click on Generate, and in just a few seconds, our AI skeleton character is ready, and you can download it to be saved directly into our system. Next, what we're going to do is use AI Cut's character reference sheet template to generate multiple consistent views, angles, and poses of the same skeleton character we just created. This is a really important step because it ensures that your character looks the same across every single scene in your video. So go ahead and click on the character reference sheet button. Once it opens up, what you need to do is upload the image of the AI skeleton character that we created in the previous step. Simply select the image and upload it. Once the image has been uploaded, go ahead and click on Generate Image. Now, what this feature does is it takes your skeleton character and creates a professional character reference sheet that includes multiple angles of your character along with detailed close-ups. This is perfect for maintaining consistent character creation throughout your video, because no matter what scene or pose you need, your skeleton character will always look the same. It gives you a complete visual guide of your character from different perspectives, which makes the rest of the video creation process so much smoother and more professional looking. Simply download it to your system. Next, What we need to do is save this image as an asset so that we can always come back to it and use it whenever we want without having to recreate it every single time. This is going to save you a lot of time in the long run, especially if you plan on making multiple videos with the same skeleton character. So go ahead and open the Save to Asset page. Once you're there, upload the AI skeleton character reference sheet that we just created in the previous step. After uploading it, you'll need to give this asset a name, something that makes it easy for you to identify later on. Once you've named it, go ahead and click on Create Character. And just like that, as you can see right here on the screen, our character has been successfully created and saved to our asset library, ready to be used across any future video projects. Next, we're going to create an image story using the AI skeleton character that we just generated. The idea here is to generate the story, pick out the best frames inside the editor, and then turn those selected images into fully animated video scenes. So go ahead and click on the Image Story button to open up the Image Story page. Once you're there, you'll notice that you have two options to work with. The first option is to recreate an existing story from AI Cut's wide range of pre-made stories, which is great if you want something quick and ready to go. The second option is to write your own original story script that will be narrated in your own chosen voice. For this tutorial, let's go with the second option since it gives us more creative control over our content. Click on Generate Script. Before generating, I'll choose a prompt template from the drop-down menu. I personally like the Dr. Skeleton template. It constantly gives me health-related ideas without me bothering about it, so I'll go with that one. Then I'll select the duration for the video and hit the Generate button. In just a matter of seconds, our script is fully generated and ready to go. You can go through the entire script and make any changes you want, but I'm happy with how it turned out, so I'll leave it as it is. Now, let's move on to choosing our video style and settings. First, we need to select our AI skeleton character that we saved earlier as an asset. After that, we'll choose the image style. I'm going to go with the Dr. Skeleton style for this one. Next, we need to choose a scene animation. As you can see on the screen, there are 3 different animation styles available. I'm going to go with the best one, which is Motion Pro, because it gives the smoothest and most professional looking results. For the image frequency setting, I'll leave it at high. Next, we need to choose the aspect ratio for our video. Since we're producing Shorts content for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, I'm going to go with the 9:16 vertical format. For the image resolution, I'll leave it at the standard 2K setting. You also have the option to toggle on sound effects and visual effects if you want to add that extra layer of polish to your video. Now, let's move on to selecting a voice for the narration. AI Cut has a great selection of premium voices that you can choose from. As you can see right here, they have voices available from 11 Labs, OpenAI, and Amazon, so there's a really wide variety to pick from. On top of that, you also have the option to create your own custom voice if you want something truly unique. For this tutorial, I'll simply choose one of the available voices and leave the voice speed set at normal. One important thing to keep in mind here is to make sure you choose a voice that you can be consistent with across all of your videos, because consistency in your narration voice helps build a recognizable brand for your channel. Next, we need to choose a caption style for our video. Make sure you toggle on the caption option first so that captions are enabled. Once you've done that, browse through the available caption styles and select the one that best fits the look and feel you're going for. After selecting your style, you'll need to choose the position on the screen where you want the captions to appear. You can place them at the top, middle, or bottom of the video, but I personally prefer having them at the bottom since that's where most viewers are used to seeing captions. After that, you have the option to add background music to your video. In my case, I don't have a specific background music track that I want to use, so I'll just leave this setting as it is for now. However, I will make sure that the sound effects option is turned on, because that adds a nice layer of engagement to the overall viewing experience. Now, if you have a logo or a watermark that you want to include in your videos, this is where you can upload it. Simply upload your logo here, and AI Cut will automatically apply it to your videos for you. This is a great way to brand your content and make sure that your videos are always recognizable as yours. Before you go ahead and hit the Generate button, there's one more important setting you need to be aware of. You'll notice a toggle button that gives you two different options for how your video gets created. The first option allows you to create and edit the video step by step before rendering, which gives you full control over every frame and scene before the final output is produced. The second option lets you skip the editing step entirely and directly renders the video for you, allowing you to move on and start creating your next video right away, without any manual editing in between. Since I want to keep things quick and efficient, I'm going to leave this toggle on to skip the editing step. And with all of our settings in place, I'll go ahead and hit the Create Image Story button to start generating our video. Once you hit that button, the image generation and video creation process will begin running in the background. You don't need to sit and wait for it to finish, because AI Cut will send you an email notification once the entire process is completed. You can follow the progress in real time if you want to, or you can jump right into creating another video while this one is being processed. It does not affect the current video being generated in any way, so feel free to keep working. And just like that, our video is ready. You can find the completed video in your Assets menu. Now, let's go ahead and preview it to see how it turned out.
What happens when you hold your breath for 10 minutes straight? Minute 1, your lungs scream, CO2 builds, panic rises. Minute 3, brain cells starve for oxygen, vision blurs. Minute 5, your body convulses involuntarily, diaphragm fights back violently. Minute 7, consciousness fragments, gray spots explode across your vision. Minute 9, organs demand oxygen desperately, heart rate spikes dangerously. Minute 10, brain death begins, neurons shut down, you lose control. Most people black out around 4 minutes. Push past that, and you're gambling with permanent damage. Your brain needs oxygen more than your pride needs the win.
This is really cool. You can see just how engaging and scroll-stopping the final result is. The skeleton character stays consistent throughout the entire video. The narration flows smoothly, and the animations bring the whole thing to life. Now, all you have to do from here is download the video and start uploading it to your social media pages, whether that's TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or wherever your audience is. If for any reason you're not completely happy with how the video turned out, you can always go back and make edits to the video by clicking on the edit button right here. But overall, I'm really pleased with how this one came out. And that is exactly how simple it is to create this type of content using a reusable workflow. You don't have to jump through different prompts, switch between multiple tools, or start from scratch every single time. Once your skeleton character is saved as an asset, you can keep coming back and creating new videos with the same character over and over again, which makes the entire process incredibly fast and efficient.